How to create a Tinder account step by step. To create Tinder account, first of all, you simply have to install the application using your device's App Store or Google Play Store. Once you search for the Tinder application and download it onto your device, you simply have to launch it. Now, within the sign-in option, you should be able to find login with Google, login with Apple, or even login with phone number option. All you have to do is select any of these options and then proceed to verify your identity by entering your phone number. Now, you simply have to submit the SMS code that you just received onto your phone number and also verify your email address. Then proceed to set up your profile details by typing your first name, birthday, gender, and sexual orientation. Once you go through this, you simply have to enable your location and you should be able to enjoy the application itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.